First, the black wood grain wallpaper provides an elegant and profound visual effect, adding a mysterious texture to the space. The soft rattan weave pattern brings a natural and comfortable feel. This combination significantly enhances the spatial layers, creating an elegant and comfortable atmosphere. Second, preparation tools: rag, scissors, knife, spray bottle, scraper. Third, clean the cabinet door surface with a rag, then spray water. Fourth, cut the wallpaper to the required size with scissors. Fifth, peel off the backing paper and apply directly. Sixth, use the knife to trim off the excess parts. Seventh, cut the rattan weave pattern wallpaper into a rectangular shape. Eighth, paste the rattan weave pattern wallpaper on top of the black wood grain wallpaper. Done. This combination brings a refined and natural decorative atmosphere to the indoor space, showcasing the sophisticated lifestyle of the occupants. Direct message me to receive a free sample.